Sigma ME is a multi-screen polymeric filter that combines Amiad's unique suction scanning screen technology with a compact design and an innovative self-cleaning mechanism. Designed to meet every agricultural need, from small and independent farmers to large-scale co-ops. The Sigma ME filter sets a new standard for handling high mineral loads while keeping the costs of water and energy consumption to a minimum. This state-of-the-art filter is quick and easy to install, simple to operate, and requires minimal maintenance. The Sigma ME has multiple inlet-outlet configurations for versatile installation options. With an upgraded and advanced cleaning mechanism, it offers the highest level of reliability in the market. The filtration process starts when raw water enters through the inlet and flows to the coarse screens, where it is pre-filtered and large dirt particles are blocked or removed. The water then passes through the multiple fine screens, and dirt particles are trapped on their inner surface. Dirt is accumulated within the screens and clean water flows through the outlet. Once the pressure differential reaches a preset level, the system activates its self-cleaning cycle by opening the flushing valve. A strong suction force at the scanner nozzles effectively removes the dirt particles from the screens. The Sigma ME is energy efficient due to its very low flushing pressure. With its 5 separate turbines that operate independently, Amiad significantly enhanced the Sigma ME's ability to effectively clean water from any water source. Once the filter cake is removed, the pressure differential returns to normal. The filter resumes its standard filtering mode and is ready for the next flushing cycle. Throughout the cleaning cycle, water continues to flow through the filter's outlet. The Sigma ME also offers the ADIP controller, developed by Amiad for its filters, interacts with Amiad's mobile app for one-of-a-kind monitoring and control. Amiad's effective, reliable, and efficient filtration solution to protect your irrigation system. Sigma ME by Amiad, a new standard in water filtration.